Hello, parents. I am Shanmugh Sundaram, psychologist. After a long pandemic period, after a longer lockdown period, now the schools are going to be reopened shortly. We expect so. So after a 12-month gap or 15-month gaps, so what the children will be facing, lot of challenge they are going to face, no doubt, and they are completely out of school. In fact, they are completely out of track of studying or memorizing, writing the exam. Everything is completely lost. Recent surveys says that children have almost lost the learning focus in their studies. They may not be able to focus properly. They may not be able to pass the exam so easily in the coming years. So another survey says it will take 3 years for normal children to come back to the original position before the pandemic period. So it may take up to 3 years. So it's a really challenging time for parents, students, teachers, and the schools. So what is the way out? How the teachers are going to handle them? How the schools are equipped to re-motivate or re-empower the students? Yeah, but as a parent, we can do something. So I have designed one module that is full of video lectures. So what are the things necessarily required by the students? I am uploading it in the website DYNAMICA.in, right? 20 videos are there for students. So one part is for their personal life and another part is for their academic area. So I am going to list out the names. So improving memory, preparing for exams, speed reading, speed writing, how to score high marks, how to improve concentration, how to improve focus, how to improve observation, how to use the creativity, what do you learn in the school campus apart from academic, and what are the exact studying techniques, how to avoid exam anxiety. This for the academic area. And the personal life, how to improve self-confidence, time management, how to improve the strong belief system, what are the success habits, so what are the how to set a goal and achieve your dreams, and improving relationship with the parents. Yes, you can. Another motivating video. And failures are not failures, they are only feedbacks is another. So totally 20 videos are there for students and 8 videos are exclusively for parents. The titles are effective parenting, managing adolescent children, making the children to focus on their studies, identifying warning signals. So what are the signals you can identify from the students, from the children, so that you can take care of corrective measures now itself. Otherwise, they may land them in a trouble area in future. They may become a negative personality. You can identify certain signals, warning signals, so that they can take corrective actions now itself. So managing children during exam days, improving relation with the children, a right diet for exam days, effective parenting role, all are very much required. I know as a psychologist, I know what are things required by the children as well as the parents. So everything I have recording it and uploading in this website DYNAMICA.in. At the just click of a button, you can go through, view all the videos. Of course, it has a one-time subscription. It has a validity for 1 year. One-time subscription just 5,000 rupees. And as an introductory offer, I'm offering for a throwaway price of 999 for a very short period. Very short period. I'm offering this for a subscription of just 999. Grab the opportunity, because for a very short period only, I'm going to offer this for 999. Totally 28 videos, approximately 15 hours of video lectures. You can view any number of times within 1 year, right? Use the opportunity and empower your children. Be a happy parent. You should be a happy parent because your children are getting empowered, learning all these things at one stage, right? Thanks a lot. All the best.